Hey, how you doing, everybody? John. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the temperature switch. Okay, so we are looking at the housing motor right over here for the 52-inch flush mount ceiling fan, and we're going to be talking about two switches. As you can see right over there, you have an arrow going up, and then you have one that's going down. So what you want to do for the summertime, you want to make sure that that switch is down. And in the wintertime, what you want to do is you want to put that switch up. Now, the reason why you want to put this switch back down over there in the down position for the summertime, what it does is that it pushes the cool air down during the summertime. Okay? So therefore, it reduces your energy bill when you're running your air conditioning. Okay? So it turns the ceiling fan counterclockwise. So if you have it on the up position during the wintertime, it pushes the ceiling fan clockwise, and what it does is it pulls up the air, rising up the heat. So there you go, the temperature switch for the 52-inch Mainstay ceiling fan flush mount, white in color. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out my YouTube channel. Also, be sure to read the description below for more information. And you guys have a great day. Bye.